On the 27th of April, a passenger train caught heavy fire in southern Pakistan. Okay, the plane was going to Lahore from Karachi and it caught heavy fire for some reason. They're still investigating the cause of the fire, where at least 7 people were killed. Several cars of the train were severely damaged. So there was a heavy fire on a passenger train in Pakistan where 7 people were killed. I'll let you guys read it over there. I don't understand why this is blurry right now. Okay, I'm going to show you what I knew about this incident, guys. I dream about it on the 25th of March. Okay, the title is Train Fire in India or Pakistan. And it has happened in Pakistan. I was not sure where was it, whether in India or Pakistan. And in my dream, I thought 102 people will die or injured. In fact, only 7 people were killed. Okay, so I get this one wrong. But it's still, the precision of this dream is still 75%. I try to enlarge this for you. It is already enlarged. So, guys, I knew it like a few weeks ago. Okay, that a passenger train is going to catch fire in Pakistan, and it has happened the same thing, guys. Of course, no need to say apart from me who knew things like that. Thank you.